LU, La Union episode. Welcome to La Union. This is a bar called Sagitsit. Ano ibig sabihin ng sagitsit? Squirting, sumasagitsit. Tama ba? Yun ba yung Pilipino na definition ng sagitsit? Ingay ng hangin na lumalabas sa isang butas na maliit. Kung nabutas ang gulong, tapos may shhh, ganun. Anyway, why am I talking about sumasagitsit? Because this is a bar nga called Sagitsit. I am drinking this old-fashioned cocktail by the bartender over there. Jim Beam ang ginamit. Tapos, simple lang. Sugar syrup, Jim Beam, at saka orange bitters. It's good. This is our first night. Nandito kami sa surf capital ng LU. Barangay Urbis Tondo, here in San Juan, La Union. It's only 8 o'clock. Konti ang tao kasi buong araw umuulan. Since umalis kami sa Metro Manila, umuulan na, malakas ang ulan. And then, pagdating namin dito, medyo makulimlim. And then, during the later part of the afternoon, bumuhos na rin yung ulan. So, hindi kami masyadong nakapag-enjoy sa dagat. Tomorrow, hopefully, umaraw na. So anyway, tonight, I don't know what's going to happen. I just know that I wanted to taste some of the cocktails dito sa La Union. So this is my first... Oh no, this is not my first cocktail. Ano yung kanina? Mojito. Nakapag-mojito na kami kanina. Because it's a free welcome drink dun sa hotel na pinag-check-in na namin. So this is my second old-fashioned by Sagitsit Bar here in LU. Okay, so next order muna is something called Beach Boy. Look at this. Nakalagay siya sa parang... Ano to? Parang lalagyan ng ketchup na malaki. So it's kulay bluish green. Beach Boy is vodka, cacao white, blue curacao, mango, and vanilla puree. So paano natin inumin to? Chup-chupin natin ganyan. No, meron silang shot glass. Look at that. Ito sa bluish green tint, parang turquoise ng dagat. I guess that's why it's called Beach Boy. Cheers, shot. Tamis. It feels creamy. Maybe because it has vanilla puree. Pero matamis siya. Meanwhile, yung kadate ko, nagpapakain ng pusa. Here, look. Pinapakain namin ng chicharong bulaklak.
So healthy.
Tikman mo yung Beach Boy.
Sumat ka na eh. Dapat ikaw muna.
Ayoko shotin. Unti-unti lang.
Shot.
I don't like shotting shots.
Ay, di kontian mo lang para shot lang na.
No, let's just sip it. Let's just drink it like tiny cocktails. This is not a shots kind of night.
Uy!
Medyo tridor itong Beach Boy Hindi ko nalalasahan yung alcohol habang iniinom. But right now, I can already feel the buzz in my ears. Medyo umiinit na yung tenga ko. Hindi ko nabilang kung ilang shots na yung naiinom ko. Siguro mga 5 or 6. I don't know. Hindi ko nabilang. Pero tingnan mo. Hindi pa namin nakakalahati yung pitchel. Parang mali yata na itong binili natin. This is a party kind of drink. Pang mga grupo na barkada na kabataan. Kabataan?
Aminado ka na hindi ka.
Oh, siguro itong mga binibili nila pag, yeah, party shots, bro, dude. Basta cocktail shots. Look at that. Wala pang halfway. Maubos din natin yan. Don't worry about it.